Hola mis pollas. So today I'm going to do my second fall makeup tutorial. I still don't know what I'm gonna do, but if you want to know what is it that I come up with today, then keep on watching.
Never gonna give you up. I'm never gonna let you go. Never gonna say goodbye. No. Never gonna give you up. I'm never gonna let you go. Never gonna say goodbye. No. Never gonna give you up. Never gonna give, never gonna give, never gonna give, never.
Es que me diste la polla.
So like always, I already did my eyebrows, prepped my lids, and I'm going to go straight in with my beautiful 3502 palette. The reason why I'm going to use this palette is because I kind of want to do something smoky but coppery at the same time. So I'm going to use this palette, and also I'm going to be using the Patrick Star palette. This one's the Heat Stroke eyeshadow palette. Okay, my mom did purchase it, so I kind of like sneaked in her room and I was like, this is like perfect for my next fall look, makeup look. So I went ahead and grabbed this one. So I'm going to be using this and my 350 number 2 palette. The first color I'm going to go in with, I am never ready. I'm going to go in with Tan and ORB, which is these colors right here. And by the way, I don't have nails right now, so excuse the fact that I don't even get mani so I can look decent. So oh well. So I'm just gonna put those two beautiful colors in the crease. This is gonna be my transition color. Last time in my last fall makeup look, I was so mad at myself because I kept doing this and you guys couldn't even see what I was doing. So I was like, oh, I gotta keep that in mind to keep my mirror away from the lens, because the lens automatically focuses on what's closer, like either my face or the product that I'm showing you guys. So I'm gonna keep that in mind. I'm going to go in with something more coppery, and it's going to be Heat by the 3502 palette, and it's this color right here and a little bit of Brick. So Heat, Chestnut, and a little bit of Brick. So as you guys could see, I'm just like really going heavy on the eyeshadow today because I wanted to be as pigmented as it can, because I really want these coppery colors to really stand out. So taking my N514, I'm going to go ahead and take the color Pure by the 3502 palette, and I'm gonna put a little bit of Mario spray so the color can, like, you know, pop even more. With the really light hand, I'm gonna put that gold color on the bottom of my brow bone. And then what I like doing is just grabbing my blending brush and just blend that out. That way the colors can merge beautifully. Merge together beautifully. You guys already know I have to go in with my Pro Concealer by LA Girl in the color Porcelain. And I'm going to quickly put this all over my lid. That way when we apply our lid color, it can look beautiful. that same color that I had showed you, mis pollas, I'm gonna go ahead and mattify the concealer with that color. And I know that I always keep it with the shimmers and those pretty colors on the lid, but this time I'm going to go in with this brown color by the Patrick Star excuse me, quad palette, and I'm just gonna take like a fluffy brush. I'm gonna take this one by Crown Brushes, and it's the C433, and I'm gonna take that beautiful brown color and I'm gonna put it all over my lid. As you guys can see, I'm doing bouncy motions. After I've done that, I'm gonna go in with my which one is this one, the M506, and I'm gonna take those same colors that I had put on the crease. That way we can intensify the colors a little more. And they can all merge beautifully. Forgot to mention that I went in with the color Rich, which is this brown tone color, and I put it right here on this part of the crease because I wanted more dimension to the crease. Alright, so I'm gonna quickly curl my lashes. Now I'm gonna put some mascara on my top lashes only. And for lashes, I'm gonna go ahead and take Cocoa Lashes in the style Goddess. So I'm literally going to be taking foundation out of my foundation stick with my spongy because I'm out of foundation. And I don't want to use the Marc Jacobs because the Marc Jacobs is so thick. And I wore it yesterday and it's been making my face so dry because it's so thick. I have so much product on my face, so I'm just gonna go ahead and take what's left of my foundation stick by Makeup Forever and I'm just gonna put it in. I'm gonna go ahead and take my Estee Lauder concealer and just apply it under my eyes to brighten those under eyes. I'm gonna go ahead and take some Airspun and mattify our under eyes. I'm also gonna put it all over my nose. That way I won't get oily through the day. And a little bit on my forehead. I'm gonna take a little bit of off right here. Of course, I'm taking my Beautifully Bronze by LA Girl. I love this concealer, like, that's why you guys always see me using the same LA Girl products, because they're just my favorite. Taking my Real Techniques brush, I'm just gonna blend that out. And to mattify it, you guys already know I'm gonna take my Give Me Sun by MAC. Beautiful bronzer to mattify any liquid bronzer. And then I mattify my forehead with that Give Me Sun by MAC as well. I don't like putting Beautifully Bronze contour right here. The neighbors are about to start making so much noise, so I do apologize, because they're kind of like doing construction in the back of their backyard. So if you guys hear their truck backing up, I'm sorry. I'm gonna take Milani's Romantic Rose. It's this beautiful blush color, and I love that it's mauve-y, so it goes with any kind of makeup look. And the brush that I'm using is by Real Techniques. I'm gonna grab some more Airspun so we can just make this part of the face beautifully defined. Now I'm gonna take the powder that I put on my forehead and on my nose and on the bottom of my under eye area. I'm gonna go ahead and take M506 and grab the color by the Patrick Star palette, which is this brown right here. And I'm gonna apply it on the bottom of my eye. So now I'm gonna take my Sonia thin brush and I'm gonna take the color Pure again by the 3502 palette. This beautiful gold. I'm just gonna put it on my tear duct. I'm gonna put some mascara on my bottom lashes. But yeah, so I feel the need, like I need to do this, like I need to darken up a little more of the bottom area of the eye. So I'm gonna go ahead and take Noor by the Soft Glam palette, and it's this beautiful black color right here, really matte as well. And my trick to this that I've been doing is I grab a really angled brush and I just grab that brush and I just put it right on the bottom of the under eye. And then I'm gonna grab a little more of the color Brown by the Patrick Star palette. It doesn't even have a name. I don't know what it's called, but it comes in his quad palette. I'm gonna take my Cover FX drops. I can never skip this step. That I found some glitter drop, no, some highlight drops by what was it, NYX Cosmetics, and they look dead on the same as the Cover FX ones. I wish I would have been vlogging so I could show you guys, but for my highlight, I'm gonna go in with my Master Chrome Molten Gold. This is my favorite highlighter. Like I've told you guys this a lot of times, and I feel like we must use it for this makeup look. You guys see that? Even without the glitter drops, like even without the highlight drops, this highlight is amazing, and I love the fact that it has so many glitter specks. Like it's such a beautiful highlighter. I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips with NYX Cosmetics Neutral Lip Liner, and I'm gonna be using New York & Company Matte Liquid Lipstick in the color Broadway Buff. It's a beautiful matte color. And then I'm gonna top it off with Cream Pie Lip Gloss by Patrick Star. So that's gonna be my lippy.
Never gonna give you up. I'm never gonna let you go. Never gonna say goodbye. No. Never gonna give you up. I'm never gonna let you go. Never gonna say goodbye. No. Never gonna give. Never gonna give. Never gonna give you up. Never gonna give. Never gonna give. Never gonna give. Never gonna give. Never gonna give you up. Never gonna give.
For us to lock everything together and finish up this look, I'm gonna go ahead and take Morphe brushes setting mist, and literally I've been loving this mist so much. It's actually my sister's because it's actually my sister's because we went to Ulta, like I said, and I just found so many products, and she was telling me, she's like, I want to go get some Fix Plus or some type of setting spray. So I saw this one, and I know that a lot of the makeup gurus or makeup artists that are on YouTube were raving about this spray, and it looked like it just sprayed on so beautifully. So I have been loving it, and it just locks your makeup so amazing. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And something that I like about it is that it freaking smells amazing, and second of all, it doesn't feel like so watery on your face. Like it literally just locks everything together, and it just feels so good on the face. Alright, mis pollas, I really hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial as much as I love creating it. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below what your favorite part of this makeup tutorial was. And also don't forget to turn on the bell for more notifications of my latest videos. And with all that being said, I love you guys so much, and I'll talk to you guys on my next video. Mwah.